Hey class 9, let's continue our chapter. Okay, so far we have done exercise 4.2. Okay, so turn page number 70. There you have today's topic, graph of a linear equation in two variables. So what you're supposed to do is that buy one graph copy. Okay, it is available in your shop. Okay, right. See, it cost around maximum 20 rupees and minimum 10 rupees. Okay, so just buy one or get one graph copy. Okay, then only you will understand the exercise number 4.2. Okay, so what in this topic, what you will do, just there is a ax plus by equals to 0, or c equals plus c equals to 0. So this is our uh, linear equation in two variable, isn't it? So graph of this looks like this. This is your x, this is minus of x, this is minus of y, and this is plus of y, right? We done in coordinate geometry, isn't it? So if you place the points like x is equal to y equals to, okay, so there is given equation and then you have to put the point and you'll get the value of x and y. Then just point on the mark on the graph. Okay, you'll get a straight line. Okay, and this is the graph of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so from what we have to discuss, from a point how many lines passes, isn't it? So there are infinite many lines passes through a point. Okay, clear? So now let's turn page number 74. Okay, there you have exercise, sorry, just wait. There you have exercise number 4.3, right? 4.3. So now just doing this exercise in your graph copy. Okay, otherwise it won't be a good looking. Okay, so exercise 4.3. See, I'll do roughly. Okay, so in your graph copy, one page, if you open, first page will be graph and second page is your this rule 1 will get. Okay, then this is graph like this you'll get, isn't it? Boxes are there, isn't it? So 10 units are there. Okay, so let's, you have to draw. Question number 1 says that draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. So let's take x plus y equals to 4. Yeah, like no exercise 4.3, then start 1, x plus y equals to 4. Then we will make a table for graph. So it's the bono table x and y. So to draw the graph of this equation you need 3 points. Okay, at least 3 points. So from here, equation number 1, if I take x equals to 0, x equals to 0, I'm putting the value of x equals to 0, then y equals to how much? So 0 uta janda kati huncha, y equals to 4. Solve this, you'll get the value of y. So 4. So x equals to, again second point, for second point x equals to 1, y equals to how much will you get? See, solve this. 1 plus y equals to 4, so 1 uta janda kati huncha 3, y equals to 3, x1 y 3. Again for third points x equals to 2, so y equals to how much? 4 minus 2, 2, so 2, 2. Now draw over here यस्तो मजाले गर. Okay, and this line, your x axis and y axis, लेख minus y. यो लाइन चाहिँ नि के हुनुपर्छ, त्यहाँ लाइन छ नि, त्यो ठुल्ठुलो लाइन छ नि, 10वटा भाग छ नि, 10वटा भाग हुन्छ. पहिला कपी ल्याऊ, त्यहाँदेखि मात्रै हेर्नु ल यो भिडियो. 10वटा भाग हुन्छ. त्यसमा ठुलो लाइनमा चाहिँ यो लाइन माथि राखिदिनुपर्छ यसरी, x and draw like this with pencil. Okay, y त्यसको माथि राख्नुपर्छ. Okay, then from here this origin 0, 0, so first point x equals to 0, y equals to how much? 1 2 3 4, so this is the point. Next x equals to 1 1 2 हरूमा चाहिँ लेख. Okay, y equals to how much? 3, over here you will get point. Again x equals to 2, y equals to 2, so draw like this. Then this line represent the equation x plus y equals to 4. Clear? पहिला ग्राफ कपी ल्याउने कतिजनाकोमा त थियो, isn't it? So I am supposed to upload this video in the daytime, but see, network problem. Okay, hope you understood. Okay, you know how much problem is there in network. Okay, so this is your graph. So tomorrow what you will do, just second try. First to मैले गरिदिएको छु. Okay, second x minus y चाहिँ, this is your homework. ग्राफ कपीमा हुनु पर्यो. Okay, so I hope in your shop, nearby shop, this is available. Okay, this graph copy सानो पातलो हुन्छ. Okay, 10 रुपैयाँदेखि 20 रुपैयाँसम्म पाइहाल्छ. Okay, so well, this is what. So next question number 2. सबै गर्नु ल. 2 3 4 चारटा छ, चारटै के बनाउनुपर्छ, ग्राफ बनाउनुपर्छ. ओके, confused भने you may ask. Okay, you can ask. So question number 2 says that you have to form two equation of line passing through the point. So these are the points, x equals to 2, y equals to 40. So you have to form two equation, isn't it? So this is the form, ax plus by equals to 0 is our equation, isn't it, in two variables, linear equation in two variables. So here x कति छ, 2 छ. So x plus y equals to, x र y जोड्दाखेरि के हुन्छ, कति हुन्छ, यो दुईटा जोड 16. So this is your first equation, isn't it, x र y. Now एउटा काम भइहाल्यो, isn't it? अब दुईटा भनेको छ, एउटा त भइहाल्यो. नेक्स्ट हेर, x र y को के छ रिलेसन, x2 छ, x equals to 2, y equals to कति छ, 14. That means y equals to 2 times of x, isn't it? Yes or no? So y equals to 2 times of x. That means if I take this other side, so 2x minus y equals to 0. So this is our second equation. Half part is done, isn't it? So how many more such lines are there and why? See, this is the point, isn't it? One point in your graph, x equals to 2, y equals to 14. So this is the point. Okay, so from this point so many lines passes. So write down infinite many, infinitely many. Okay, So this much for today. Just get your graph copy, then we'll discuss again tomorrow. Just try to get your graph copy, otherwise you won't understand this chapter, whole chapter. Okay, so this much for today.